Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix the ABS warning light on a 2008 Chevy Silverado. Could be as simple as cleaning the sensor or replacing it. Start by removing your tire. Then you're going to need a 18 and 19 millimeter wrench. The sensor is located back down in there. You're going to have to take your rotor and your brake caliper off. Okay, once you take your 19 millimeter wrench, you'll have two bolts to remove your brake caliper. One up here and one down here. After you remove those bolts, you can take your brake caliper and twist it side to side like that, and then you should be able to come right off. You can take your brake caliper and hang it right over there so it's not pulling on the line, maybe. And then pull your brake shoes off, or brake pads. Now you'll have two more bolts. So this one, you're going to take your 18 millimeter. You got one down here, and one over here. Once you have your brake caliper bracket removed, if you have your stock rotors, it will have a screw to hold the rotor on. You're going to need a T30 to remove it. Okay, once you have the rotor removed, you're going to take the T30 that you used to remove the rotor, and you can use this as well to pull out the sensor. If you have a fine tip screwdriver, you can get it underneath, but really want to kind of wiggle it out. Don't want to break it off in there. Okay. Sometimes normally the sensor will be dirty, and you can get away with cleaning just the tip and placing it back in there. Mine, however, can see the end has been ground off. I already tried to clean the tip last week and it did not work, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. I found a cheap replacement on eBay for $9, so I'm gonna pop that in there. And alright, here's my new sensor, came off eBay. I'll try to link the seller in the description. But anyway, place it back in. Pretty much everything in reverse. You want to make sure the tip is clean. You want to make sure everything around here is clean so nothing gets down in there. When you're tightening it up, do not over tighten it. If you do, that's probably the cause of this. When I pulled this out to clean it, it may have worked again, but when I put it back in, I over tightened it, I guess, and it was able to scrape the tip off. So just tighten it just enough to hold it in there. That's it. As far as clips go, if your new one comes with a clip, you can just break this off, but otherwise you can use a screwdriver to pop the bottom out and pop it out. Just clip up here, shove a screwdriver in there, pop that open. Same thing with the clip up there. Okay, once you have it back in, mine came with new clips all the way around, so made it pretty easy. Once again, do not over tighten that bolt. What I also did is I placed it in there. I moved the axle around and made sure it was not touching. Everything else is going to be installed in reverse order. You already taken it apart, you know how to do that. Okay, when putting it back together, for my truck, the caliper bracket bolts should be torqued to, I think it was 220 foot-pound. And let me double check that. Okay, yeah, the brake caliper bracket 221 foot-pound, and the brake caliper bracket 129 foot-pound. Before you put your car or truck in drive, make sure you pump the brakes, because you did take off the caliper. So pump them till it's stiff. Then you can drive around, and I've heard it reset on its own, or you can head over to O'Reilly's and have them clear the fault code, and should be good to go. Okay, I was gonna go ahead and head over to O'Reilly's, but it only took maybe 20 feet of driving and it already went off. So really easy fix. Everything can probably be done in like less than maybe 30 minutes tops. Really easy. Like I said, don't buy the part from O'Reilly's or AutoZone. It's going to be 80 to 120 bucks. Total ripoff. Just get on eBay, Amazon, whatever. $9 to $15. I've seen them on eBay from, well, they're of course going to come from like China or Hong Kong, but I've seen two for 12 bucks on eBay. So don't even bother with O'Reilly's or Auto Parts. Just go this route, save yourself some money, real cheap fix. Buy two, that way if one goes out later down the road, or even the one you replaced, I mean, so easy to swap out. Just go this route, way better. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.